Hi everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dre Food Channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very tasty tolo beef and assorted fish soup. This recipe is so yummy that you are going to do it every day, and of course always easy recipes. So if you are interested in knowing how to prepare this wonderful Ghanaian soup, please keep on watching and I'll see you next time for another recipe. So let's get started. So I have already washed my fish, and as you can see, these are assorted types of fish. I have mackerel, redfish, etc. So I'm going to season it with some smoked paprika. And by the way, if you can't find smoked paprika, just use the normal paprika in powder. And then I am also going to add some all-purpose seasoning. This is from the brand Jumbo, but any brand will do. Next, I am going to add some roasted garlic granules. If you can't find the roasted one, just use either garlic powder or garlic granules. And a little bit of crayfish seasoning. So that's it, and now I'm going to mix it. And then I am going to cover it with some cling film and leave it in the fridge for about an hour or so, because I don't need it now. So now the beef. So this is homemade tolo beef, and if you want to know how to make this, please look in my other videos. I've got recipes for this. So it has already been washed. I'm going to start with that and then blend some ginger, garlic and shallot. You can also replace the shallot with onions, together with some peppercorn and aniseed. So this is it. Then I am going to add some more water to it and some tomato puree or tomato paste. And I don't need too much of it. Let's say just about a tablespoon. It's okay. And then I'm going to add some food seasoning to it. Now I am going to stir it, and then I'll be adding my vegetables. So I'm cooking everything in one pot. So I've got tomatoes, onions, garden eggs and habanero or scotch bonnets. You can also decide to cook it separately, but I usually do it like this when I want to make things quick. So right now I am going to let it cook until the garden eggs, onions and tomatoes are soft enough to be blended. So this is just after 7 to 10 minutes. I'm just going to check it, and I could see that it needs a few more minutes to be cooked. So I'm going to put the lid back on and then come back in a few minutes. Hi friends, I am back, and now everything is soft enough. So I am going to take out the tomatoes, onions, garden eggs and scotch bonnet pepper, and then I am going to blend it. And guys, just to let you know that I sometimes do use plum tomatoes or chopped tomatoes or even tomato passata. I don't always use the fresh ones, so it's also another option. So I am now going to blend it, and I am not going to add any water to it, just as it is. So now I'm going to pour it into my pots and add the desired quantity of water. I don't like it too thick, so I'll be adding about 1.5 liters of water, but it really depends on you. And then I am also going to add different types of mushrooms and an extra scotch bonnet or habanero for the people that like it very spicy in my family. And that's it. I am going to put the lid back on and leave it to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes on a medium heat. Hi friends, it's been about 25 minutes and I'm going to check on my soup, and it is looking amazing. The oil has started to settle on top, and it is the right time for me to add in my seasoned fish. So it is always best to add the fish towards the end so that it doesn't get damaged, because you know how soft and how fragile the fish can be. So now I'm going to add some fruit seasoning. Stir it gently, and then I am going to put the lid back on and leave it to cook for a further 10-15 minutes. And guys, I cannot have my fufu without my okra, so I'm going to cook my okras separately. And that's it. My fish soup and tolo beef or salted beef is ready, and it looks amazing. It smells also amazing. It's a really must try recipe because you are going to love it. It is so delicious. And of course, this needs to be enjoyed with fufu. And I've got here my plantain fufu. So fufu kakra, and coin kakra, and nam kakra, fish kakra, and a emurito kakra. You get me? Everything kakra, everything little, little. And of course, you top it up with your okra and enjoy it. So guys, this was my recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to leave me a message, comments, try my recipe, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn the notification bell on. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye, bye bye, bye.